What color's my sweatshirt?
It's pink.
Oh, Mark!
He's a single dad who can't keep track of trends. She's gonna show him what color the internet loves. It's Pop Culture Crash Course, Millennial Pink.
What's millennial pink?
Oh my gosh. Millennial pink, it's the color that basically is sweeping the millennials. It's just a pink that actually has taken the blues out of it.
Okay.
All of a sudden, everyone was wearing millennial pink.
But it went right over my head. I didn't even know.
Over your head. I feel like millennial pink is just pink who went abroad for a semester, you know? Came back, it's like, I'm millennial pink now. It's like, honey, you went to Spain for 4 months, you know, relax. This is Gigi Hadid in millennial pink leather. She's so stunning. What do you think?
And look what's coming back, the bell bottom.
The bell bottom, the leather, the high-waisted pant. She's got to be one of the biggest supermodels of my time. This is just kind of a tote bag.
That's pretty plain.
It's pretty plain.
I probably would not wear that. I could see Elton John with that.
Mark, what if I told you you could eat millennial pink food?
Oh, jeez.
It's gotten so mainstream that there's literally pink toast you can eat. Would you eat pink toast?
Not on purpose.
Right, exactly.
Oh, gosh.
This is pink toast. Look how beautiful that looks. Great idea when you take the picture. Terrible idea once it's in your system. It's an immediate like, uh-oh.
How do they make toast pink?
You don't want to know how the sausage is made. You don't want to know how the pink toast is made.
Oh, God.
The best millennial drink is rosé. It's rosé in slushy form. It's a grown-up slushy. Can you think of anything more fun than that?
So that's what they call that now.
They call it frosé.
So if I went to a bar right now and asked for a frosé, I would get one.
Yeah, you said, hey, one frosé, please. Why do people my age drink so much frosé? We gotta drink down the pink toast that shouldn't have been digested. You guys have the best music, the World Wide Web. We have a color that has existed forever with a little less blue. My gift to you, welcome to the club.
Where did you find this?
Oh, anywhere. You just,
can I hold it up?
Oh, no. You can put it on, Mark, okay? How does that sound? Oh, Mark.
Am I going to pick up chicks in this?
You know, it's not a miracle worker, okay? It's just, it helps a little.
Well, I need a lot of help.
I think, no, you don't need a lot of help. That is, you are a vision in pink. Oh, come on. Look at that. What do you think?
Fabulous.
It's not bad, huh?
When they say, what are you wearing a pink shirt for? And I'm going to say, no, this is millennial pink.
I've trained you well. Yes, you're wearing millennial pink. Welcome to the club. Here's your trophy for understanding millennial pink.
Well, thank you so much. Drink some wine out of it. Does the top come off?
Drink some frosé out of it.
Can I take this off now?
When you take these off, you're going to be a different man.
I'm the hottest in the street.
No!